Hello everyone, I'm CA Neeraj B. Welcome to my YouTube channel @Accounting Buddy NB. In today's lesson, we will cover a comprehensive set of multiple choice questions and answers, true or false statements designed to test conceptual clarity and practical topics, which includes meaning and purpose of depreciation, methods of calculating depreciation, difference between depreciation, depletion and amortization, accounting treatment, journal entries and adjustments, effect of change in method and residual value, asset disposal and replacement accounting. This interactive question and answer helps students strengthen their grasp on both theory and application of depreciation principles, ensuring a strong foundation for financial accounting. So sit back, relax and watch the full video till the end. Question 41 is, which method is based on actual usage? And the available options are option A SLM, option B WDV, option C units of production and option D revaluation. And the correct answer is option C units of production. Units of production method depends on the actual output or usage. Question number 42 is, if depreciation is not charged, which is overstated? And the available options are option A liabilities, option B assets and profit, option C cash and option D debtors. And the correct option is option B assets and profit. Not charging depreciation keeps asset values and the profit overstated. Question number 43 is, an asset costing $10,000 with a residual value of $1,000 and having a useful life of 9 years, what will be the annual depreciation under SLM method? And the available options are option A $900, option B $1,000, option C $1,100 and option D $1,200. And the correct answer is option B $1,000. Now when the residual value of $1,000 is deducted from the original cost of the asset of $10,000, we are left with the depreciable net value of $9,000. Now when $9,000 is divided by the estimated useful life of the asset, which in our example is 9 years, we will come up with an amount of $1,000 which needs to be charged every year. Question number 44 is, loss on sale of asset is debited to, and the available options are option A reserves, option B depreciation fund, option C profit and loss account and option D none of these. And the correct answer is option C profit and loss account. Loss on sale of asset is business loss and therefore it is debited to the profit and loss account. Question number 45, depreciation effects, and the available options are option A assets and profits, option B liabilities only, option C share capital, option D cash and liabilities. And the correct answer is option A assets and profit. Depreciation reduces the value of the assets and the net profit. Question number 46 is, if depreciation is overcharged, it will, and the available options are option A overstate profit, option B understate profit, option C increase asset value, option D increase liabilities. And the correct answer is option B understate profit. Overcharged depreciation reduces profit more than necessary. And question number 47 is, which accounting principle justifies depreciation? And the available options are option A money measurement, option B going concern, option C realization and option D matching. And the correct answer is option D matching principle. Matching principle states that the expenses must match with the revenue earned. Question number 48 is, depreciation is recorded in the books by, and the available options are option A credit assets debit cash, option B debit asset credit P&L, option C debit P&L credit accumulated depreciation or asset account, option D debit liability, credit assets. And the correct answer is option C, debit profit and loss account and credit accumulated depreciation or asset account. Question number 49 is, which of the following is not a method of depreciation? And the available options are option A, units of production, option B, machine hour rate, option C, revaluation method, and option D, FIFO method. And the correct answer is option D, FIFO method. FIFO is an inventory valuation method and not a depreciation method. Question number 50 is, which depreciation method results in higher charges in initial years? And the available options are option A, SLM, option B, WDV, option C, units of production, and option D, revaluation. And the correct answer is option B, WDV. WDV method is equal to the accelerated depreciation higher in earlier years. Question number 51 is, depletion method of depreciation is used for, and the available options are option A, furniture, option B, natural resources like mines, option C, plant and machinery, and option D, building. And the correct answer is option B, natural resources like mines. Depletion is applied for natural resources. Question number 52 is, if salvage value is higher, annual depreciation will, and the available options are option A, increase, option B, decrease, option C, remain constant, option D, not change. And the correct answer is option B, it will decrease. Higher scrap value reduces the depreciable cost, hence the lower annual depreciation. In this section, we will attempt true and false question and answers. Question number 53 is, depreciation is cash expenditure like other normal business expenses. This is a false statement. Question number 54 is, depreciation is a fall in the market value of the fixed assets. This is also a false statement. Question number 55, freehold land is not a depreciable asset. This is a true statement. Question number 56, depreciation is not provided in case of loss in a financial year. This is absolutely false statement. Question number 57 is, under WDV method, the amount of depreciation decreases every year. This is a true statement. Question number 58, the term depletion is used for natural resources like mine. This is again a true statement. Question number 59, the term amortization is used in case of intangible assets. This is also a true statement. Question number 60 is, depreciation should be charged so that the correct profit or loss of the business is ascertained. This is a true statement. Question number 61 is, depreciation is a process of allocating cost of fixed asset over its estimated useful life in a systematic manner. This is a true statement. Question number 62, written down value method and diminishing balance method are two different methods of charging depreciation. This is a false statement. Question number 63, under the WDV method, the book value of an asset never becomes zero. This is a true statement. Question number 64, depreciation is a process of valuation. This is a false statement. Question number 65, depreciation is charged on all fixed assets owned by the business. This is a true statement. Question number 66, depreciation is charged to record the fall in the market value of an asset. This is a false statement. Question number 67, depreciation reduces the book value of the fixed asset. This is a true statement. Question 68 is, straight line method charges equal depreciation every year. This is a true statement. Question number 69, under the diminishing balance method, depreciation decreases every year. This is again a true statement. Question number 70, depreciation is a non-cash expense. True statement. Question number 71, if an asset value increases, depreciation should not be charged. This is a false statement. Question number 72, residual value is deducted from the cost of the asset to calculate the depreciation. This is a true statement. Question number 73, the total depreciation over the useful life of an asset can never exceed its cost. This is a true statement. Question number 74. Depreciation policy affects both profit and loss account and balance sheet. This is a true statement. Question number 75. If depreciation is not charged, assets will be shown at correct value. This is a false statement. Question number 76 is, as per accounting principles, depreciation is mandatory for the fixed assets with limited life. This is a true statement. In this section, we will take a few fill in the blanks questions and answers. Question number 77 is, depreciation is the dash of the cost of a fixed asset over its useful life. And the correct word is allocation of the cost. Question number 78, depreciation is a dash expense. And the correct word is non-cash expense. Question number 79 is, the purpose of charging depreciation is to ascertain the true dash of the business, and the correct word is profit or loss of the business. Question number 80, land is generally dash from depreciation, and the correct word is excluded from the depreciation. Question number 81, the amount of depreciation depends on cost, residual value and dash life of the asset, and the correct word is useful life of the asset. Question number 82, the method which charges equal depreciation every year is called the dash method, and the correct word is straight line method. Question number 83, under the diminishing balance method, depreciation is charged on the dash value of the asset, and the correct word is the written down value of the asset. Question number 84, depreciation reduces the dash value of an asset, and the correct word is book value of an asset. Question 85 is, the original cost of an asset minus residual value is known as the dash amount, and the correct word is depreciable amount. Question number 86, provision for depreciation is shown on the dash side of the balance sheet, and the correct word is liability side of the balance sheet. Question number 87, the accounting concept that supports charging depreciation is the dash concept, and the correct word is matching concept. Question number 88, if depreciation is not charged, the profit of the business will be dash, and the correct word is overstated. Question number 89, depreciation starts from the date the asset is dash for use. The appropriate word is ready or put to use. Question number 90, depreciation does not involve any dash outflow. The correct word is cash outflow. Question number 91, the estimated value of an asset at the end of its useful life is called its dash value, and the correct word is residual value. Question number 92, charging depreciation ensures that the cost of an asset is matched with the dash it generates, and the correct word is revenue it generates. Question number 93, the diminishing balance method is also known as the dash method, and the correct word is WDV method. Question number 94 is, depreciation charged in excess results in dash of the profit, and the correct word is understatement of the profit. Question number 95, as per accounting principles, depreciation must be charged on the assets having a dash life, and the appropriate word is limited life. Question number 96, depreciation helps in determining the correct dash position of the business, and the correct word is financial position of the business. Question number 97, under dash method, amount of depreciation changes every year, and the correct answer is diminishing balance method. Question number 98, balance of depreciation account is transferred to dash, and the correct word is profit and loss account. Question number 99, wages paid for the installation of the machinery should be debited to dash account, and the correct answer is machinery account. Question number 100, one of the major reasons for charging depreciation is dash of the fixed assets, and the correct word is wear and tear of the fixed assets. Question number 101, The term amortization is used to write off dash assets, and the correct word is intangible assets. Question number 102. Depreciation is not an actual outflow of cash and it is dash of expenses. And the correct word is provision of expenses. In my next lesson of part 9 in the series on depreciation, 100% practical illustrations cover every essential aspect of fixed asset accounting through hands-on practical examples. You will learn how to calculate the total cost of assets, record all related cost elements, and pass complete journal entries and ledger across 3 financial years. These sessions also demonstrate the difference in balance sheet presentation when depreciation is charged directly or through a provision account. Each illustration includes clear steps to compute depreciation amounts and rates, ensuring total conceptual clarity. No theory, only real practical accounting applications explained step by step. If you enjoy the content of my channel and appreciate my teaching style, please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel @accounting buddy NB. Thank you and goodbye for now.